What's up, y'all? Dominoes in the house. Yes, indeed. Well, I already missed that Jeopardy episode with Ken Jennings, Brad Rutter, and James Holzhauer. I sure like to see those matches again, especially adding Jason Zuffernary to it. You know. Yeah. So sitting on my computer, everything else. Hmm. Hmm. Well. Hmm. I'm just over here chilling on my computer, get ready to upload some videos and stuff like that. And I'm gonna upload this one too, okay, to YouTube. But this video gonna stay on Facebook. But this gonna be uploaded to YouTube though. Okay. All right. By the way, hmm, the hell with Gail King at this one. People been talking about that for a couple of days. I ain't know nothing about it until I watch uh oh uh until I watch Chronicle I forgot the name. Yes, indeed. So anyway, as far as that, whoever watching, hello, what's happening? How y'all doing? Dominoes Seven is chilling. Oh yes. Okay. But you know what though? I want to tell y'all. Gail King, she was wrong for that. I know I talked about that on my last video, but technically she wrong for that. Yeah. So as far as that, I mean I mean the Oprah Winfrey show. I never watched the Oprah Winfrey show that much. Maybe I watched it about 2 times in my life, 3 or 4 or 5. I don't know. Cause to be honest with you, I never was a fan of Oprah Winfrey. To be honest with y'all. And Gail King, I never heard of Gail King until he started the CBS This Morning. I never heard of her, to be honest with y'all. Yeah. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, all right. What's so funny? Ain't nothing funny. But as far as that, y'all, by her bringing up what allegedly happened, which I don't believe and stuff like that. But that was either a kick in the stomach, a slap in the face, or betrayal or whatever. I don't know. Maybe that's a punch in the stomach or a slap in the face or whatever. I don't know. Okay. Mm. So on that note, I'm very mortified about that. Let me take off my glasses. Like as always, if nobody would give it a second thought. So so as far as that, by my friend living in Houston, and I'm here in Louisiana where I always want to be. But some people doing good in Texas. But some people come back to New Orleans either to visit or Texas wasn't for them. Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas was or whatever. But I wouldn't live in no Texas, to be honest with y'all. I got family members that live in Texas, and Randy TV, they used to call him Truth the Gamer. He has videos. I'm gonna say family in Houston as well. He also have a best friend in Houston, besides me, Well, I wouldn't say I'm Randy TV's best friend, which I am, but we just partners as far as that. But so as far as I know, I just didn't want to say that, But you know what though? I want to let y'all know something. Maybe I should have just controlled my anger, because I remember she wanted to avoid me and then pop up and I'll be happy. Suppose I would have snapped on her, She never thought of that though. She never thought I would snap on her, you know. From 2012 was September 2012 until December 2013. She ain't spoke to me for a whole year, you know. And then she said she was going through something and stuff like that. I called her a liar, you know. That's what I did, though, you know. I mean, I remember I told her deep down inside, you should have known I was going to hold that against her, you know. She wasn't talking to nobody and stuff like that, you know. So as far as I know I'm a good person. You heard me? And I know my family's watching right now. Everybody, you know, because you know, I don't think they ever miss the Dominoes 7 show Facebook Live. You know, they never miss the Dominoes 7 show Facebook Live. I guarantee y'all that. You know, when I was filming out there at the Hard Rock Hotel, you know, I met Aubrey Killian, you know, in person, you know. So on that note though, y'all, I gotta tell y'all though, I was out there filming at the collapse scene, Hard Rock Hotel, you know, and then I met Aubrey Killian. I apologized to Aubrey Killian because I thought I was bothering him and stuff like that. But he didn't say I was bothering him, you know, because, you know, the Dominoes 7 show not supposed to interfere or nothing, you know. I speak to other people, not only that, speak to the newscaster and all that, you know. But I did apologize though, you know. So okay, but I'm pretty sure one day Aubrey Killian and WDSU, WWL, WVUE, Fox 8 and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure they gonna watch this. But I'm not gonna hashtag be on 4, you know. This not a be on 4 moment, you know, or a CBS moment, you know. This a Dominoes 7 show moment, you know. Not an NBC moment or ABC moment or Fox or whatever, you know. Not even Nick at Night, TV Land, Nickelodeon, and stuff like that. Nick Jr. or whatever, you know. So, as far as I know, I could have just been patient and stuff, you know. But it was this a person that, you know, whoever that was, I ain't gonna mention his name either, you know. So, as far as that though, as far as that, I don't know. You know, I don't know who else is watching this video. You know, but I must say that I never meant my friend no harm. You know, So, well anyway, I'm gonna mention her name one day. At least she never cursed me out though. You know, so to be honest with y'all. Anything I want to say to her, I never had any guts. I never had any guts to yell at her, fuss at her on the phone or in person. You know, even though she's sweet and everything, technically I can't do that to sweet people. You know, I'm afraid they'll cry. You know, That's my biggest fear, to make somebody cry, you know. Making somebody cry, I can't take that, you know. The only way I wouldn't care is if that person is ghetto or hood, have a nasty attitude and stuff like that, you know. That's how Dominoes 7 is. You heard me? But I knows at you, but. I ain't gonna. Well, I'm gonna scratch it anyway. Well, that's totally embarrassing, you know. Totally embarrassing for me to scratch my nose and stuff like that. So, all right. So, I mean, hurting feelings and stuff like that, you know. I accidentally called her Nyla and stuff like that. I mean, Nyla was on my mind. I mean, she should get mad at me for calling her, for accidentally calling her another girl's name. We not even in a relationship, you know. You only get mad at your boyfriend or whatever for calling you somebody else's name, not just a friend. Don't make no sense, you know. Yeah, so I mean, a good thing her coworker called me though. I would have never known what the hell was going on though. I was just mad that that I didn't get a chance to see her. You know, that's how I am. Cause if you know, well, guess what? People can say I'm bullshitting if they want. You know, cause I know my heart. You hear me? If it's a misunderstanding, I need to know if it was a misunderstanding. You know, sometimes misunderstandings happen when it comes to friendship. You know, just like the situation with I don't want to mention these two guys' names. You know, okay. I don't want to mention my partner's names, you know. I don't want to do that though, you know. So anyway, as far as I know, you know, I mean, misunderstandings happen, you know. I thought she was making me out of a sucker. She said she wouldn't do me that, you know. I don't know, because you know people smile in your face and stuff like that, and everything else, and then behind your back they talk about you, be like, oh, blah 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 and all that. Well, what am I supposed to do? You know. Misunderstandings with my partner and all that. You know. But guys with mental problems like me, you know, people believe anything with mental problems, including me, you know. But I need to realize when somebody make a sucker out of Dominoes 7, you know. I try not to let people make a sucker out of Domino, you know. Of course Domino will get mad. Of course Domino will, you know. Well, that's enough. I'll be back with another if I think about it. If I do, I do. All right. Bye-bye. 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 I gotta go. Go away. You know what? I'm not Lenny Kravitz, though. I like that song, you know. I'm not Lenny Kravitz at all, so I'm done. All right? Peace out.